Creating wood furniture and decor pieces that can transform the look of a home is both an art and a science. The process involves several key procedures that encompass design, selection of materials, construction techniques, and finishing touches. Each step contributes to the overall aesthetic and functional value of the piece, allowing it to seamlessly integrate into various interior styles. The journey begins with the design phase, where the vision for the furniture or decor piece takes shape. This stage requires a deep understanding of the space it will inhabit, as well as the preferences and needs of the homeowner. Sketching initial concepts helps to visualize ideas and explore different styles, whether modern, rustic, or traditional. During this phase, it's essential to consider proportions, functionality, and how the piece will interact with existing decor. Mood boards can be helpful, combining colors, textures, and inspirations that resonate with the intended look of the home. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas, which can instantly change the look of your home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Once a design is finalized, the next step is selecting the right type of wood. The choice of wood significantly impacts both the appearance and durability of the final product. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and cherry are popular for their strength and beautiful grains, while softwoods such as pine and cedar offer a more casual aesthetic. It is crucial to consider the wood's texture, color, and grain pattern, as these elements will contribute to the overall character of the piece. Sustainable sourcing is also an important factor, as it reflects a commitment to environmental responsibility. After selecting the wood, precise measurements are taken to ensure that all components will fit together perfectly. This stage involves cutting the wood to size, which requires careful attention to detail. A table saw is often used for straight cuts, while a miter saw is ideal for angles. Each cut must be clean and accurate to avoid unnecessary adjustments later in the assembly process. It is also essential to account for any joinery methods that will be used, such as dovetails or mortise and tenon joints, as these will affect the dimensions of the pieces being cut. With the wood prepared, assembly begins. This stage requires a combination of craftsmanship and technical skill. Joinery techniques are crucial, as they determine the strength and longevity of the furniture. For instance, using dowels or screws can provide sturdy connections, while glue adds an extra layer of stability. Each joint must be meticulously aligned, and clamps are often employed to hold pieces together while the glue dries. Patience is a virtue here, as rushing can lead to misalignment or structural weaknesses. Once assembled, the furniture or decor piece enters the finishing phase. This stage is where the wood truly comes to life, enhancing its natural beauty and protecting it from wear. Sanding is the first step in this process, using progressively finer grits to achieve a smooth surface. This not only prepares the wood for finishing, but also allows the natural grain to emerge, creating a stunning visual effect. Care must be taken to sand along the grain to avoid scratches that could mar the surface. After sanding, the choice of finish is critical. Options include stains, paints, oils, and varnishes, each offering different aesthetics and levels of protection. Stains can deepen the wood's color while highlighting its grain, whereas paints provide a completely new look, covering the natural features. Oils penetrate the wood, enhancing its natural beauty without altering its appearance. Varnishes and sealants offer protective coatings that guard against moisture and scratches, ensuring the longevity of the piece. Application of the finish should be done in a well-ventilated area, with protective gear worn to avoid inhaling fumes. Techniques vary depending on the finish chosen. For example, stains are typically applied with a rag or brush and wiped off to achieve the desired hue, while varnishes may require multiple coats for durability. Each layer needs ample drying time, and sanding between coats can help achieve a smooth, professional finish. Once the finish has cured, the final assembly and detailing take place. This includes adding hardware, such as knobs, hinges, and legs, which could dramatically alter the overall look of the piece. Selecting the right hardware is essential. It should complement the style of the furniture while being functional. Soft close mechanisms, for instance, can enhance the user experience, while decorative handles can add an artistic touch. At this stage, it's also beneficial to consider how the piece will be styled within the home. Accessories, textiles, and complementary decor can enhance the impact of a new furniture. For instance, a beautifully crafted wooden coffee table can be adorned with books, candles, or plants to create an inviting focal point in a living room. The arrangement of items can reflect personal style and add warmth to the space. In addition to functionality and aesthetics, the emotional connection to handmade furniture should not be overlooked. Each piece carries a story, reflecting the craftsmanship and intention behind its creation. Homeowners often cherish these items not only for their beauty, but also for the memories and moments they represent. This emotional resonance can transform a house into a home, making each piece meaningful and unique. As trends in interior design evolve, the demand for custom, handmade wood furniture continues to grow. Homeowners increasingly seek pieces that reflect their individuality and enhance their living spaces. This shift towards personalization encourages artisans to experiment with innovative designs and techniques, pushing the boundaries of traditional woodworking. Moreover, the rise of online platforms has made it easier for craftsmen to showcase their work and connect with customers. Social media, in particular, has become a powerful tool for sharing the journey of creating furniture, from initial sketches to the final reveal. This transparency not only builds trust, but also allows potential buyers to appreciate the effort and skill involved in crafting each piece. In conclusion, the procedures of creating wood furniture and decor pieces encompass a rich tapestry of design, craftsmanship, and personal expression. From the initial concept to the final finishing touches, each step plays a vital role in transforming raw materials into stunning functional art. By understanding these processes, homeowners can appreciate the beauty and value of handmade furniture that not only enhances their space, but also tells a story of creativity and dedication. As they incorporate these pieces into their homes, they invite a sense of warmth, character, and individuality that can instantly change the atmosphere of any room. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas, which can instantly change the look of your home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.